Okay, it's been snowing since 5 o'clock yesterday evening. We're going out. I've been out once already. This is the most snow I've ever seen at my house. Can we do it? What do you guys think? Where do you go? Where are we gonna go?
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
The cars. We should have left one on the hill. I wasn't thinking.
Look at Lubell in the snow. Luby Doobs, what do you think, girl? You're a snow dog.
Look at the cars.
Yeah.
Well, at least it stopped snowing.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a good sign.
She's like, well, how am I supposed to pee in this? How am I supposed to squat? Oh, there you go. She's smart. She's smart.
My butt.
Oh, that's cold. Brr. We heard trees breaking around 3 o'clock in the morning. Number 2. Okay, we'll let her do that on her own. We don't need to see that. Yeah, no power. No electricity. Snow person.
Snow bunny.
Snow bunny. There's the cars, man. I mean, just like piled up. Look at all the snow on the rock there. Crazy. I don't know if you're getting the full impact of this, but it's pretty wild. Yeah, hurry up with that over there. It's taking so long. It's a shovel.
Shovel? Garden shovel?
My firewood's under that pile of snow right there. Oh my God. I may be heading for San Francisco, I'm not sure.